Here's a list of the top 3 budget laptops worth considering this year. Finding solid laptops under $500 is a difficult task these days with limited options available. While these devices may not offer the highest performance or premium materials, they are reliable and capable of handling everyday tasks for both adults and children. Best Budget Laptops 2024. 1. Acer Aspire 5 CPU, Intel Core i3-1115G4 GPU, Intel HD graphics, RAM 8GB, RAM storage 256GB SSD. The Acer Aspire 5 is a straightforward, no-frills laptop. Its exterior design is fairly standard for its price range. The Intel Core i3 processor and average battery life make it suitable for low-intensity tasks, providing adequate performance for basic needs. 2. Lenovo Chromebook Duet. Display 10.1 inches, 1920x1200 CPU, MediaTek Helio P60T GPU, ARM G72 MP3, RAM 4GB, storage 64GB MC. For those open to a budget tablet Chromebook, the Lenovo Chromebook Duet is a good option. Priced at $245, it includes both the tablet and keyboard, offering a more affordable alternative to the Microsoft Surface Go. Featuring a 2.0 GHz octa-core MediaTek Helio P60T, ARM G72 MP3 GPU, 4GB of RAM, and 64GB of MC storage, the Duet is primarily reliant on web-based services, which helps to conserve battery life. Its sharp and bright 1920x1080 display is ideal for both browsing and media consumption. 3. Microsoft Surface Go 2. Display 10.5 inches, 1920x1280 CPU, Intel Pentium Gold 4425Y GPU, Intel UHD graphics, 615 RAM, 4GB storage, 64GB EMC. The Surface Go 2 is a hybrid device, functioning as both a laptop and a tablet, running on Windows 10. While the base price is $299, adding the modular keyboard raises the cost to $359. To stay under $500, you'll have to accept the Intel Pentium Gold processor, 4GB of RAM, and 64GB of MC storage. Despite these limitations, the thinner bezels and larger 10.5-inch screen are appealing features. It's suitable for light tasks, media consumption, and even a few indie games thanks to Steam compatibility. With improved battery life over its predecessor, the Surface Go 2 is a reliable companion for travel and daily use. These budget-friendly laptops provide reliable performance for basic tasks, making them suitable choices for students, professionals, and anyone needing an affordable device.